Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you seashell crafts ideas. So I hope viewers share and share more videos. So viewers, let's start today videos. So friends, my first idea is we are going to explore some beautiful and creative seashell crafts ideas that can turn simple seashells into amazing home decoration. Seashells are small texture from the beach. They come in many shapes, size, color. With a little creativity, we can use them to create beautiful decoration for our home gifts and special occasions. Seashell flower decoration. You can arrange small shells around a centerpiece of create beautiful pattern. Add a little paint to the shells and use different color for each flower. White shells can create a soft and natural look, while pink, blue, yellow and purple can make the flower more colorful. You can attach this shell's flower to a small border frame wall decorative piece. A group of seashells flower can create a beautiful beach inspired decoration. Seashell photo frame. Take a simple wooden or cardboard frame, decorate the edges with seashells. You can use small shells around the entry frame or place large shell in the corner. Adding small pearl beads, starfish shape or piece of rope, you can the frame even more beautiful. This wall also make a lovely handmade gift for family and friends. Seashell mirror. So viewers, if you want a big home decoration, try making a seashell mirror. Start with a simple mirror and decorate the outer frame with shells. You can use seashells of different size to create a natural pattern. Place the large shells around the corners and use smaller shells to fill the empty space. And viewers, friends, a seashell mirror can look beautiful in a bedroom, bathroom, hallway or beach themed room. It can bring a little feeling to the oceans into your home. And viewers, I hope you are enjoy my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, friends. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz. Viewers.